flowers for right down there.
That's video camera. Get out the window. Right in there. You see it? He's standing up tall.
There's some little plants
Yeah.
down there.
There's the two park people.
And then there's a hose down there. That little metal spike that used to bring the guy in the hose.
Oh my
All
gosh.
the way down there.
Took the whole Smith thing.
Yeah. I guess you don't want to be on that porch.
You can see it drop down.
Yeah.
He said that thing weighed like 5-6 tons.
Well, I think the first one's no big deal, but
Yeah.
after that, but
He said it's putting like 5-6 ton of pressure against the house.
so if I could go down and take the house with me, couldn't it?
Does anybody want that sloppy Joe stuff heated up? The only ones we have. Let's heat up.
You know, one night, Matt, Ron, and I drove past the Meyer in North Columbus, the one in Marion.
Okay. Sounds like a wiener.
Here's all the bricks that they've been taking out so far. Each one weighs about how much, John?
50 pounds!
50 pounds. Pretty a lot of weight. And got the first load of bricks here to be taken out. Crushed up a bit. And over in this truck, we have first load of mud that's going to be taken out. Not much in there quite yet, but I'm sure John and Crispy will fill it up a little bit. Here's the whole process in action. Just fill the buckets down there, and put it on the cart, and wheel it right up.
Good call.
It takes strong men to do this, right?
You think?
I think.
Where's the other $2 there, fella?
Lots of mud.
Yep, lots and lots of mud. Oh, don't want to fall in.
There's something.
Find all sorts of surprises in there, don't you?
Yeah. Water line or something like this.
You just roll it back and forth between here. Well, the part we put down there, we can use it all over the yard. No, sir.
Dump that mud. Looks yummy. So this is what they mean by cook's choice. Now, last time we were here, they didn't have the orange guard fence up. Certainly a new addition. stay off porch. Very good advice. I will take that into consideration. Where once was a garden, there is now the gaping black pit of despair. And whoops, ladder. Saturday morning, May 20th. Everybody's hard at work for Tessie. As you can see here, they're breaking up bricks for easier maneuverability, I guess. Oh, easier. I don't know why they're doing it, actually.
Yeah, you're not taking my, Hey, Dick. I'm gonna take off and go for my truck. You wanna get the trailer or not?
Doug Milken, can I get a few comments?
It's okay. I'm tired.
You're tired?
And I'm muddy. But you know, it happens.
Yeah, you know.
We may have some
Hey, everybody take a 5-10-minute break, and then if you guys in a situation want to change jobs, go ahead and do it. I like Donald Trump. Break. Well. Yeah, here's coffee up there, everybody else. Figure might as well ask. This is a mandatory break. If I stop, I'm gonna freeze up. Now, one shot,
They better get us while we're warm.
yeah, that's right.
Moving quite a bit of mud out. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Just look at them. Looking down in the pit. They toiled their life away. Look at how many donuts there still left. These people just care too much to help the Tessies than to eat. I think that's very nice of them. You know, it's hard work. Sometimes you just need a little refreshment. Apple Phil. Lunchtime. Check out that spread. Wow.
I don't know whether anybody's going to say a prayer or not. Would be nice.
5 days in Ohio.
We talked about it.
The thing is, I don't know if I want to lay in the ground for 5 days.
This lazy woman just sitting around doing nothing. Boy, is she lazy.
And you're away from that,
Doing quite a big dig.
deeper in.
Yeah. So I think that's probably alright.
This place gets the old back isn't working too good no
Let's see. What y'all eating there?
Food?
Well, I can see that.
Celery.
Wow. Very healthy.
There's a dog right there.
Sure, the dog.
I was thinking a lot of traffic would
No, because it's just because I know her and I said, and because I'm at the bottom, you know, like people who live on that side.
never make it this far.
Yeah, never make it this far.
Come here, Buggy. Doggy, come here. Come here.
here.
But I think they well, I probably know the reason he gave him
Uh-oh.
I think Andy's waiting for another flood. I think his pants are high enough.
Hey, Adam, battery's getting low.
Oh, I know that.
That's too bad.
Okay.
Love you.
Exactly.
What injuries? Major injuries?
Oh, you got a major one?
No, just a little. Oh, after 3 times, it finally started to
Our
bleed.
first casualty?
Yeah, right.
They kind of come in handy sometimes.
Yeah, it really did.
Okay, no! On food. I ain't never gonna get in these. Never. It's gonna take me hours to get in there and get some grub. Oh well. I'll just wait. Milliken. Two Millikins!